Do you know which is one of the best food pairings, both in terms of taste and in terms of health benefits? Well, the answer is cinnamon and honey. Two cooking ingredients that have been staples in many cuisines, as well as in many schools of traditional medicine. Honey has been used worldwide as a remedy for numerous health problems, while cinnamon has been used in Ayurveda and Chinese medicine traditions for over 2,000 years. On the one hand, cinnamon is known to be anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial, while it helps in digestive problems and regulates blood sugar levels. On the other hand, honey is extremely rich in antioxidants, it is beneficial for the health of the heart, it helps reduce bad cholesterol, and is a very effective healing agent. This list will help you learn 6 great and potent health benefits of this combination, so make sure to watch the video to the very end. First, acne and pimple treatment. One of the most common health problems, which might not be very dangerous but is extremely annoying, is facial acne and pimples. As mentioned above, honey has potent healing properties, while both honey and cinnamon fight off fungi and bacteria and thoroughly cleanse the area. If you want an easy-to-do and gentle-to-your-skin solution to this problem, mix honey with powdered cinnamon until you have a cohesive paste. Apply it to the area of your face that has the problem. Let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes and then rinse it off with water. Health benefit number 2, a common cold and cough treatment. The common cold is something that becomes a problem almost every year, being both very annoying and potentially dangerous if it is left unchecked. The combination of honey and cinnamon will help your body fight off the disease, as they both have potent antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that are precious in such situations. Additionally, honey is an extremely energy-dense food, something which will help your body have the required energy to self-heal. At the same time, being rich in antioxidants means that it helps in the process of cell regeneration, a crucial part of getting healthier. Finally, as you drink the honey and cinnamon mixture, that is 1 teaspoon of cinnamon for about 1 cup of honey, it will provide a protective coating to your throat that will also cleanse it from viruses and infections, relieving you from pain and coughing. A good tip is to also add a splash of freshly squeezed lemon juice, as it will further enhance all the benefits mentioned before. Health benefit number 3, cardiovascular health. Honey and cinnamon are greatly beneficial to the cardiovascular health, as both of them reduce the level of cholesterol in your arteries, shielding you from strokes and heart attacks. At the same time, numerous nursing homes in the US and Canada have found that adding honey and cinnamon to the diet of the patients is greatly beneficial, as they rejuvenate their arteries and veins. In order to exploit all these benefits for your heart health, make sure that you consume honey daily, ideally with your breakfast, and you add it to cinnamon in order to have a healthy breakfast that will also boost your heart. Health benefit number 4, arthritis. Arthritis is a disease that affects millions of people worldwide, being both painful and debilitating. Honey and cinnamon both have very strong anti-inflammatory properties that relieve the pain in the joints and make your daily life much easier. At the same time, the nutrients and antioxidants that are present in honey help your bones get stronger and cope better with cell degeneration due to aging. It is advised to drink a daily mixture of honey and cinnamon dissolved in a cup of warm water in order to earn all of these benefits. In a more serious and painful case, you can also consider applying a paste of honey and cinnamon directly on the area which is plagued by arthritis. Health benefit number 5, beneficial for diabetes. Cinnamon is known to be an effective regulator of insulin levels in our bodies, as suggested by numerous studies. These beneficial properties of the delicious spice can be a real breakthrough for those who want to help their body regulate their natural blood sugar levels with a more natural and easier way. At the same time, honey is a much healthier alternative to refined sugars and helps people cope with hypoglycemia, which is often associated with diabetes treatments. It is advised, though, to speak with your personal doctor before applying any of these solutions to your blood sugar problems. Health benefit number 6, wound and burn healing. It has been highlighted that these 2 ingredients are potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial agents throughout the video. Naturally, this is extremely helpful in the daily wounds that one can experience, such as cuts, while it is also very beneficial in the cure of burns. At the same time, the nutrients of the honey help the skin rejuvenate and repair itself, helping the wound to close faster and without any infection. Isn't it surprising how many health and healing benefits one can get just through these 2 ingredients? They might be common and easy to find, but undeniably they are real treasures if used correctly, and not only for their delicious taste. If you believe that these tips are really helpful, give the video a thumbs up and share it with all your friends so that they can also learn these amazing properties of honey and cinnamon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can learn even more amazing tips and recipes that will help you have a good and healthy diet with natural ingredients.